Hello everyone, welcome to our new lesson which is about vocabulary related to sport in Unit 8. The lesson is presented by the teacher Madney Sami. The first activity, let's review grammar, the use of the present continuous in interrogative form. For example, if you want to make a question using the present continuous, how do you do it? For example, I am playing football. This is affirmative. Question, am I playing football? The answers, there are two types of answers, positive answers or negative answers. Positive answer, yes, I am. Negative answer, no, I am not. For example, are you speaking English? Yes, I am. No, I am speaking Chinese, so it is negative. The same goes for plural. For example, are you dancing? Yes, we are. Or no, we are not. For example, are they listening? Yes, they are. Or no, they are not. Now let's move to this activity, which is about matching the names of the sports with the sports. You have sports in the pictures and you need to match them with names that are on the column there from A to P. Take your time. Take, for example, 5 minutes to write down your answers on your notebook. Then check and compare your answers with answers on the screen. The first sport, for example, there are the list of the sports. The first one is cycling. What is the picture that shows cycling? This is cycling. B, swimming. This is swimming. Weightlifting. Fencing. Baseball. Driving. American football. Horse riding. Athletics. Gymnastics. Tennis. Volleyball. Basketball. Boxing. Golf. Now let's move to this activity, which is about putting sports into categories. You have two categories, the one individual sports and the second one is team sports. For example, you have tennis is an individual sport when you play individually, but when we are talking about team sports, for example, soccer, you need a team, a group of players playing within a team. You have 2 minutes to write down your answers. Try to complete the table. Now let's try to see the correction. You have individual sports, for example, tennis, weightlifting, fencing, driving, horse riding, athletics, gymnastics, boxing, golf, and swimming. While in team sports, for example, soccer, American football, volleyball, basketball, and so on. Bear in mind that there are some sports that can be both individual and team sport. For example, tennis. In tennis, there are competitions that ask for a team. For example, 2 players play within a team defending their, for example, country. Now let's move to punctuation marks. There are several punctuation marks, but we will deal with just 4. The first one, number 1, is a comma. Number 2 is question mark. Number 3, full stop. Number 4, exclamation mark. Let us move to some practice. Put the correct punctuation in the sentences. First sentence is, what are you doing? Fatima, are you playing tennis? Hi, let's play in the park. I can't dive, but I can swim. Samir has got new sports shoes. Take 5 minutes to write down your answers, then check and compare your answers with the answers on the screen. What are you doing? What are you doing? There is the question mark. Fatima, are you playing tennis? It needs a question mark because it is a question. Hi, let's play in the park. Needs exclamation mark and a full stop. I can dive, but I can't swim. Needs a comma and a full stop. Samir has got new sports shoes. It needs a full stop. Now let's try to find the odd word, or to take out the odd word. For example, football, rugby, handball, and boxing. There is something in common between them, and one of those words is not within the same category. You need to single out for it. For example, if I give you an example, you have a pen, a book, and a rubber. The fourth one, for example, a phone, which is the odd word. It is a phone because it doesn't belong to the same category as the book, the pen, and the rubber. You have cinema, school, theater, circus, yellow, green, treasures, and blue, skirt, shirt, eye, dress, hat, leg, arm. Okay, take 3 minutes to write down your answers or on a note. Then later on, check and compare your answers with the answers on the screen. First word, odd word is boxing, because boxing is not a team sport, it is individual sport. Cinema, school, theater, circus. School is odd word because cinema, theater, and circus are within the unit of entertainment, while school is not there. Yellow, green, blue trousers. So you have colors, and trousers are a piece of clothes. Skirt, shirt, eye, and dress. So eye is the odd one. Hat, leg, arm, and